Welcome to my channel. My name is Ashley and I love makeup. I focus on indie and affordable brands, so if that's what you're into, keep watching. Alright, you guys, so need to do something with the lips. This is the Beauty Creations Soft Matte Lipstick in the shade Spice It Up. I just found it. I feel like this is a good shade. Sorry, I've got like a hair from a brush or something. I've got like the e.l.f. Glow Reviver gloss in the shade Apology 2 or whatever it is. But it's mostly off. I just needed a little moisture to the lips. So let's go with this and see how it's going. So you guys, how are you doing? Like seriously, how are you doing? Oh, the birds are back. Like, I know things are hard. I've been crashing out a lot lately. So, little mental health check-in. How are you? Seriously, how are you doing? Let us know. Let me know. Let's support each other and help each other out, because it's weird times we're living in. All right. So I had no idea what to film with, don't have any new palettes, and I was just kind of looking through like a random tub of makeup, and I found this Beauty, the Druid palette by Fantasy Cosmetica. This is absolutely phenomenal. This is a fall palette. It is beautiful, gorgeous. Of course you can wear it like any time of the year, but to me this color story just screams fall, so let's do it. And I don't know, I haven't done like 2 different looks in a while, so maybe we'll try and do that since I'm just getting such a late start. Just nothing ever happens on time anymore. So let's start with the shade Sage right here. You guys, it has been just, it's been a life. It has been a life, and I don't mean that in a good way. So let's see, last Sunday, so a week and a day from today, I went over to my mom's, and it was like the time change, so got an extra hour sleep, so I was up a little earlier, got there a little earlier than I normally would have. Thank you God and universe, because so I get there and I could tell something's up with my mom. I'm like, you okay? She's like, I think I'm going through an episode. And if you don't know, she's got like some pretty serious heart things going on. And she's having trouble breathing. And I'm like, what were your vitals this morning? And, you know, they weren't horrible. And I'm like, okay, you think we need to call an ambulance? You guys, I'm just trying to, in my small little pea brain, try and figure out what shade I'm going to go into next. Let's do Forest. Let's do Forest. And I'm like, you know, do I need to call an ambulance? Because sometimes my mom can go from just thinking she's feeling a little not great to not breathing in a matter of like 2 minutes. And it's scary. And there's a very short time frame for her to get help. And she's like, no, I think maybe I'm doing a little better or whatever. And so I'm like watching her, and she's not doing better. And so I had the puppy over there. We're just gonna take the shade Forest and we're gonna put it like on the, what the, dead ass. Do y'all fucking hear that? Sorry, I don't mean to cuss. Is there, okay, there's either a person inside my wall or there's like a woodpecker out there. Or a person tapping on the side of my house. Hoping it's a woodpecker. I need to go check this out. I'll be right back. So it was, I don't think it was a woodpecker, but a bird flew away. It was like on the deck thing, so it wasn't a person. There's like nobody in my walls, but like that scared the crap out of me. Anyway, so I was talking about my mom. Yeah, and she's like, I don't know, I think I'm gonna do okay. So at this point, like, I call my husband because I'm like, hey, because I have the puppy, and I'm like, Mom's having trouble breathing. I think I'm gonna have to call an ambulance. Like, can you just come over here? Just that way, like, you can, like, take the puppy and, you know, get her home. And so he's like, yeah. So I think we're just gonna go all shimmer on the lid. So he comes over and he's like outside with our puppy Indy and my mom's bulldog baby. I call her baby. Her name's Jenna, but we all kind of call her something different. So he's outside with them, and my mom, like, I get my mom to the bathroom because she's like, I feel like I need to go to the bathroom. Get her to the bathroom, and then she tries to stand up. She's like, I need to get to my chair. I'm like, okay. And then she's like, my legs are gonna give out, like, I'm gonna pass out. So I have to, like, grab, like, thank God, like, her dining room table has rolly chairs, grab one, roll under, get her before she passes out. Then she's like, I'm gonna throw up. And I'm like, oh God. So I'm, like, scrambling, running to get the trash can, running over there to her. And sorry, TMI also, we're gonna talk about throwing up and stuff. So then she throws up, and I'm like, I think we need to, sorry, there's just like a hair and I can feel it, but I can't get it. And I'm like, okay, I think we need to call an ambulance now. Like, right? Do you agree? She's like, yeah, so call an ambulance. Cause I'm like, something's wrong. Like, I don't, it's not presenting like her normal, congestive heart failure flare up. Cause if that was it, she would not have been breathing at this point. But like, I know something's wrong. Like, something is not right. So the paramedics get there. Sorry, guys. I'm trying to figure out, like, what shade do I want to go with? I'm feeling the shade Balance. It is just gorgeous. I mean, all of them are beautiful. I hear somebody. Maybe my husband came out of the room. But anyway, so the paramedics get there super fast. And we kind of tell them what's going on, and they're like, you know, well, do you want to go to the hospital? My mom's like, well, not really. And I'm just like looking at her. And so she's like, I tried to, you know, take my blood pressure, because I forgot to mention this part. Tried to do like her blood pressure, her pulsometer, like nothing would register her. And he's like, well, I can take your vitals. So he's like, so the one paramedic is taking her blood pressure. I'm just gonna take this and put this like down here for a little lower in our corner highlights. And I could just like see this look on his face, like something's not right. So he looks to one of the other guys and he's like, can you get me the cardiac monitor? So they're like, okay. And they're like, I want to do like a 12 lead EKG on you. And my mom's like, yeah, that's fine. Now for the other eye, because I feel like this eye's good. Let's go with this. Let's start with the shade Root, which is that shade right there. All right, sorry. I was just like telling my husband a story, so hopefully he'll cut that part out. But, okay. So they try to keep it even with the same brushes I used. So they get her hooked up to the cardiac monitor, and I see they're all like, I don't know, there's like 4 of them at this point. They sent like the ambulance and the fire truck, so there were, I think, I don't know, 4 or 5 people in there at this point. And they're like looking at it, and they keep talking about like runs, and they're like, could she be having a heart attack? And one guy's like, well, no. And then they're like, oh, do you have AFib? And she's like, yeah. And they're like, you know, we think you're in AFib right now. And the one's like, yeah, I could hear. So like when I was taking her blood pressure. And so they're like, so what hospital is your cardiac team at? And she tells them. And they're like, you know, because we think you're in AFib right now. Like, you want to go get checked out, you know, just make sure like everything, you know, is okay. And she's like, yeah. So they get her loaded up and get her off to the hospital. And yeah, so just funny because like I left a couple minutes after they did, and like I got there at the same time they did. But so I took the shade, oh, I don't even think I talked about that, Old Growth. I just put that under the lid, and I was just kind of like deepening up a little bit with that. So they get her in, and they're doing like they did 2 other EKGs, and they like did the interrogation on her device in her heart. And so it turns out like she'd been in AFib for like 4.5 hours, which isn't great. It finally stopped. It subsided. Like I think probably on the time they got her to the hospital, but like her, you know, anybody being an AFib for that long is dangerous. So yeah, that was, so we were there about probably 5 hours because they like just kind of wanted to monitor her, make sure like it wasn't, you know, continuing, and that it was safe for her to come home. So that was kind of scary. But yeah, so it's just been crazy. Life is just, it never slows down. Like it is just constant chaos around here. So I think I'm going with the shade. Dang, these are both so pretty. Let's go with Transformation. So yeah, that's kind of how life has been. It's just, and my husband, he's been off work. It'll be a month this coming Wednesday, which crazy. And yeah, we've just been trying to survive. I just dipped into the wrong shade. Hold on. He finally got his like in-person interview, and then this past Tuesday, then he finally got his like accept the job offer thing yesterday, which was Friday. They just don't really get in a hurry for anything. And so yeah, just been crazy, but I'm hoping, because he still has to do orientation, and then they sent him something like last night about certain forms, and he's like, I didn't get them, so I need to check with him and see if he got those. But it has been a wild beginning to the end of the year. Like, we're getting towards the end of the year, but like there's still plenty of time to go. All right, you guys, so I really like what we're working with. I do maybe want to just a smidge, just put a little more of this like out here. All right. Okay, I just kind of want to like wipe it off and just kind of blend a little more. It's all about the blend. Okay. Maybe pick that to brush up. Just put a little more of right there. All right. Yep. Okay. I think we're good. So I'm going to go do mascara. I don't know if I'll do like, all my liners downstairs are like worn out, so I need to get some more, but that'll happen when it happens. Anyway, you guys, I'll be right back. All right. So I'm back. Let's do a little eyeliner. What is my brain these days, except for complete total trash? If I can get this open, dang, this highlighter is just, this is a NYX Buttermilk highlighter that we may not use because it's the shade Butter Than Gold, but like, I literally cannot get this damn thing open. There we go. That's what we're gonna use today. You guys, life is just nuts. That's really pretty. I've not used this shade in a while. I'm telling you, like during the week, I just do such minimal makeup. Like I don't even do highlighter. Like I just don't have the energy. And they've like been doing like crazy construction, so I have to like leave as early as I can. All right. If you know, you know. All right, you guys, let's do a little final look. I got a little chunk of mascara right there. Let's just ignore that. Okay, final look. All right, you guys, so I love this look. I really do love this palette. Unfortunately, it's the only Fantasy Cosmetica palette that I have. It's the Druid palette. It's absolutely stunning. I do want to try more of their products. Money is just pretty tight right now, but highly recommend them just based off this one palette. All their other palettes are stunning. Maybe if they have a sale at the end of the year, I could pick some stuff up. But yeah, I very, very impressed with the formula. It is fantastic. Beautiful, fun look. The shimmers, so good, so good. All right, you guys, so that is it. I gotta get running. I got like a super late start today. Remember, you're beautiful, loved, and amazing. Hope you have a wonderful day, night, morning, evening, whatever it is, wherever you are, and I'll see you all in the next one.